As a SaaS product team, do you find yourself stuck in a never-ending cycle of customer requests asking for new analytic features within your product? Hi folks, my name is David Abramson. I'm the CTO here at Qrvey. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about what self-service analytics really means for SaaS product teams and what to look out for as a product and engineering leader when evaluating tools to enhance your embedded analytics roadmaps. First, let's start off talking about what self-service actually means. And I think at a high level, you can sort of define self-service as kind of a couple of, or really three different layers. Layer one is what I'd like to call basic self-service. This is what pretty much most tools and products are going to offer out of the gate. It's the ability to interact with pre-built content, which is going to include things like interactive filters, customizable drill downs, maybe some other light customization that's going to happen to kind of the analytic outputs that are sort of built out as your templates. And that's kind of that basic layer of interactivity and self-service that is going to be offered. Layer two is self-service, but with added personalization. It's where you can enable or empower users to tailor content to their own needs, right? This might mean customizing the layout of some of those templates, so moving things around. Maybe you're going to let them add or remove specific metrics that are more important to them, or customize the visuals to their own personalized needs. This might mean they're going to change something about the data. Maybe they're going to change how the data is grouped or categorized. Maybe they're going to change how the data is sorted. Maybe they're going to update or add new aggregations, some new columns, adjust some of the more general changes to help them better understand exactly what they're looking at in the presentation. But it's really still about customizing an existing set of templates that you've already built for them. Where layer three is what I'll call full self-service capabilities. This is where it's not just about offering interactions with the existing content templates, but it's all about enabling end users to create their own content 100% from scratch. So providing them with easy and intuitive interfaces to build their own custom charts, reports, and dashboards, and then also to be able to share those custom contents with other users or other similar roles within their own tenant workspace. So why are these self-service features so important? Well, it starts from the problem that we already identified. It's all about empowering customers to do more with their data and not having to field all of those inbound requests asking for more and more sort of pre-built reports and template content. So ultimately empower customers, but save yourself time and resources from having to answer to all of those new feature requests. So, the idea is alleviate your support and maintenance burden by offering customers to be able to do more on their own without you having to continuously update and maintain the product to meet the inbound demands that are coming from your customer sources. It's all about being able to differentiate your product in the marketplace. So with advanced and full self-service capabilities, again, obviously being able to offer users more control is fantastic, but by offering these types of new capabilities where maybe some of your competitors do not, you're potentially creating not just new opportunities for your existing customers, but obviously creating a more attractive product for building new revenue streams or adding new prospects into your pipelines. So what do you need to pay attention to and look for in an analytics platform when it comes to self-service? Well, first, you want to make sure that it's going to be able to support the use cases and the different layers that your customers need. Ideally, you'd find something that can not only provide all of those layers from basic to full self-service capabilities, but should also very much align with your product goals, so that you can very quickly add that differentiation to help your customers and help you win new business. Obviously, if you're already buried in a lot of those inbound customer requests, the faster you can offer these capabilities, the better, and the quicker you get out of that endless cycle of responding to those inbound customer requests. Ultimately, it should also be able to support everything related to your security and multi-tenant requirements when it comes to providing options, not just for the different tenants in your application, but also potentially different user types and roles or personas within each tenant workspace. For example, you may have basic users and all they need is the basic types of capabilities to interact and filter and drill down into data. But then you might have a collection of much more advanced users who really need that full self-service capability to build their own sets of outcomes, reports, dashboards, data visualizations, and more. So here at Qrvey, we really look at how we can be a great fit for solving for those self-service analytic needs. Qrvey, as a product, we were created from the ground up to specifically support the SaaS use case And we're not designed as a general purpose BI solution. We're really built around the multi-tenant SaaS use case. And when it comes to supporting self-service, we can support every layer, whether it's the full self-service capabilities that you need, all the way down to even the more basic types of capabilities to offer to the less sophisticated or less advanced users within your environment. So it's not just providing customers with a basic set of interactivity and personalization, but ultimately empowering customers and end users to build and share their own analytic content fully embedded within your application. And at Qrvey, we really don't see ourselves as just a product. When we work with our customers and partners, it's really all about being an extension of your development team. We designed to fit our software into your software lifecycle, can support exactly how you need to not only manage, maintain, but also deploy your software and all the tools you need to seamlessly integrate not just basic analytic features, but all of those advanced self-service features as well. And we also did design Qrvey 100% with the multi-tenant security in mind. So you never have to worry about how you're going to not just support your customers and users with features, but also how you're going to continue to expand and grow and offer a differentiated set of capabilities into your product and your product long-term roadmaps. So in summary, self-service analytics embedded into your SaaS products not only helps you save time, streamline requests from customers, it can ultimately help you very much differentiate your products in the marketplace by offering significantly more advanced capabilities around analytics to your customers and tenants. And as you're evaluating tools, make sure you look at self-service options that can support everything from those basic capabilities to the much more advanced full self-service capabilities to let your customers create their own analytic content 100% from scratch. And so I encourage you not only to continue to evaluate, but also to check out how Qrvey could be a good fit for your products' self-service and analytic needs. And I thank you everybody for taking the time to listen today.